Independent Client Customer Concepts, Project Kestner. I wanted to come back to take a look at some measurements today because we had some questions about how some of these doorways were going to be done. Looks like it's going to be a sheetrock wrap on the end of this. It's an extra outside corner where the wall is. So when I'm looking at the sink wall, I am 140.5 inches from the outside of this sheetrock return to the corner of the room there. If I look here, I'm 48 inches to the center of the box from the outside. I'm 92 to the center of the stove from the corner. The electrical for the microwave is in the right spot. And again, these rooms, just double checking, these rooms are 8 foot to the ceiling height, so it's not a problem as far as that goes. On this side over here, which is the sink wall, we do not have a window section. We have an open section above that. But I've got some blocking that's been put in the wall here. So I need to ask the builder what the blocking was for. And then also on the ground here, I'm 51, 57, 62 for the centers of my pipes. The drain is the first one. 25 is my first outlet right there. 47 is my second set of outlets to the right-hand side. And again, this one is 139 adjusted for sheetrock, from 139 from left to right. And my return wall here is 30 inches deep. On this one, dishwasher plugs up inside of the actual cabinet for the sink base. So make sure on the dishwasher that we order a pigtail unless it comes with it from the factory. Let's go around the corner here to the laundry room. One of the things I was missing was a return measurement, and that was the reason that we came back, took a look at the laundry room again. All right. So on this one, let me double check here. Well, wash machine is on the left, washer is on the left, wall to wall, back wall 69.5, and that is the measurement here with the sheetrock that's there. So 69.5, ceiling height 8 foot like we had. What was missing was the return depth right here at 16 3/4 inches deep, and that is adjusted for the sheetrock that's going to be on the face of this this wall. And then on the left hand side of this one, we actually have a little different measurement as well. So here I've got a doorway. I believe it's going to be a hall doorway. It may have a molding around it, so I went ahead and adjusted for a molding. If it's going to be a sheetrock wrap, then we'll make that change. Otherwise, I'm 110 inches from the corner to the outside corner there, and that 110 inches is adjusted for the sheetrock thicknesses. 43 inches from the corner to the edge of the trim for the door. Again, that's assuming a 3.5 inch trim on the doors. And then as far as the spacing from the door trim, that mark to the outside corner is 66 3/4 inches to the outside corner. And again, the width of this, you can see that the washer dryer sticks out from the space, and then you've got an opening here. So the washer and dryer actually stick out about 17 inches from the wall. And I think they're probably going to want to have this seating area to look like it's just a natural extension of the depth of that washer and dryer area. So I'll double check with that to make sure what we're doing with it. Let's take a look in here in the master bathroom. Get my drawing for it. Now on this one, we've got a tub deck here. It's 18.5 inches tall, 40.5 inches deep. That's a tub deck. I need to find out how close they want to come to this tub deck. If the cabinets are going to have an offset. The first is 15. That's going to be the hot line. 20 is the drain. 22 is the cold. Then it's 57, 60, 61. These are basically stacked on top of each other there. But there is a vent. This has been moved. The vent in the floor has been moved over. So from the face of that tub deck to the side of that vent hole is 82 inches. So I need to make sure what they're wanting to do as far as placement, how far off the tub deck, how close to the vent, and the spacing that we're going to have in here. Now the original drawing had 78 inches of space. This would accommodate 78 inches since it's 82 to the vent. But again, I just want to make sure how close to that tub deck and what material that tub deck will be finished in. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any other questions, and the island, plenty of room for the island. I did notice overhead, that they had some wires overhead for the lighting above the island, so they're loose in the ceiling. But the only other thing is I didn't see any electrical for the island. Most of the time that's probably under the floor. So if you have any questions about anything, give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a good day.